Hey, good morning everybody. This is Clifford Pan Flamingo Power Wash. Back with a brand new video for you guys. Today working in Land O'Lakes, Florida. We're here for a returning customer. Actually, it's a Marriott Hotel. I did this about maybe like 2 months ago. Me and Steve. So today we're back. We're gonna be doing the pool deck, the patio, and the front entrance for them. This is one of 2 jobs on the schedule today. Decent day. Actually, one of 3 jobs today. Been busy lately. That springtime, man. That springtime, you guys know how we get. So nothing too much over here. Got some dirt in the front entrance. The pool deck is pavers, so kind of concealed, but we're gonna put some SH on it, downstream mix on it, you know, just to disinfect it. You know, people out there walking barefooted and stuff. So show you guys what we got going on. All right, this is the front entrance of the Marriott Spring Hill Suite Hotel over here. See it? You know, up here, you know, everybody getting out their cars, smoking, and so we're gonna be cleaning pretty much from probably this block here, clean all this up, bring it back to life. Probably clean up right here to this curb, right here. Clean all this up. High foot traffic. Let me show you guys the back. Oh yeah, before we walk to the back, let me show you guys for commercial jobs, make sure you get your water key. You can get them at Home Depot, Lowe's. You just need that to turn that water on, because if you don't, you may have to improvise. You know how you have to do, man. I told you guys already. Sometimes you gotta use what you got. You could probably use some needle nose pliers or something, but it's easy to use this key to turn the water on. That's not the right size, not the right size. This one here. Boom, water's on. I ain't gonna leave it on there, just in case somebody trying to sabotage me. This is the back area right here. Last time we had some rust right here. Steve got rid of the rust from me. I don't think it's looks like it's still gone. Okay. We're still gonna put that SH on there, clean it up. Not major. How you doing? And then we're gonna be cleaning up this patio over here also. A lot of furniture around. Just gonna move them, you know what I'm saying, so I can clean one area, move them back, clean one area, and move them back to where they're supposed to go. Not much to it, nice and straightforward. Let's go and get this show on the road. All right, guys, so we're gonna downstream the pavers just to get some of the algae out the cracks, whatever that's there. Let it dwell for about maybe 10 minutes. I'm gonna hit it with the surface cleaner. We got half of the side clean. I'm gonna move everything back from this side to the clean side. You know, it's crazy to the naked eye, it didn't look that bad, but you can tell the difference how dark this area look right here compared to this area. All right, let me move this stuff so I can knock out this side. The guy came out, the property manager or maintenance guy, he came by and told me that he wants me to clean sidewalks all the way up to this island right there in the middle. And in the front, I gotta do some curbs that had some tire marks. I gotta do those, so the ticket just went up. got that concrete slab sidewalk done. No chemicals was used on this, just downstream. I'm sorry, the surface clean. I didn't put no chemicals. All right, let's go ahead and knock out this pool deck. Get it out the way. All right, so we got some tire marks on the curbs. I'll show you guys what I'm using, some degreaser on those just to loosen them up. I'm gonna use a pop-up sprayer with a 50-50 reach. Don't let that sit. We'll knock out these ones right here on this side. All right, we are done with the project. I got here, I started at 8:30. So right now it is 11:30, 3 hours. Got everything done. Curbs all cleaned up. That's the best it's gonna get. Remember how bad it was when we started? Things is looking clean. Got the island clean over here. Front area, surface cleaned. Curbs looking good. They're drying up nicely right now. Look at that. I think this island here was the worst. Let's see what it looks like now. Much better. Still drying up. Man, my phone been blowing up today, man. I got like 4 calls when I was doing this job. I got 3 jobs on the schedule today, so I gotta get going. Right now, we're gonna go to New Tampa, then I got a little patio cleaning. See you guys when I get there. All right, we're at the second job for the day. Right now, we're in New Tampa, Florida. We're here for a returning customer. I did this house about a year ago, February last year. I did the driveway and the back patio. As you can tell, everything's looking still good, man. Look at how bright them concrete's looking, man. Look at that. I just did the concrete work and the patio. Let me show you guys the patio in the back. Pretty dirty. We're gonna get that cleaned up. That's all I'm here to do today, man. Just that right there. I'll put a layer of downstream mix on it and then surface clean it. Just like that, man. All done, slab cleaned up. Then I pack it up, head to the next job. Stopped at Marriott Tech in Tampa. A little pressure washing shop over here. Local to me, it's about 15 minutes from my house. So my hose, flexible hose, was leaking earlier because you know, me being hard-headed, had the band restrictor all the way down here instead of up here where it's supposed to be. So the hose kept bending like this over and over and over to the point where underneath right here it frayed and it would started leaking. So I had a leak all day. So I just went over here, got over here, they put a clamp on for me, brand new, no more leaks. All right, third job for the day. Right now we're in Carrollwood, Florida. This is another returning customer. 3 in one day, man, 3 returning customers. Last time me and my boy Freddie was here, we did the gutter cleaning, the dock, as well as the pool deck. This customer was getting these pavers installed. These weren't here last time, so he got those installed. And he told me he would need me to come back to the driveway, make it all match. I'm not gonna touch that part at all, but the driveway looks pretty bad. We're gonna do the sidewalks as well as the street curbs. Bring the whole thing back together, man. I'm gonna downstream a mix on the driveway just to, you know what I'm saying, soften up the algae so we can move the surface cleaner much faster and easier. Alright guys, we're all done over here with this project. Got the curbs cleaned, got the sidewalk cleaned up, put a little push treatment on there just to make it pop a little bit more. You can tell it's brightened up a lot. Same thing for the driveway, cleaned up. Got push treatment on there. Alright guys, we had the 4th job for the day. This customer here had some people that were doing some, I guess, some groundwork over here, and they drove the little bobcat on the Travertine. I'm gonna see if I can get those stains off right there. See the track marks. I downstream over here so far. I'm gonna downstream the rest, see if I can get it up. Hopefully we can get it up. let that sit. Give it about a good 10 minutes and see if we can get these up, man. Oh yeah, light work, man. All right, man. It was a nice, easy job. She was worried that those marks wasn't gonna come up. I told her, man, you got pink flamingo on deck. You good. You're in good hands. Nah, I'm kidding. Nice little property too on the golf course. We're in Carrollwood, Florida right now. Right near my neck of the woods, man. I'm about 10 minutes away from home. Whew, man, long day, man. 4 jobs all across town. So I'm done, man. I'm ready to go home, take me a shower and relax. Whew, man, long day, man. 4 jobs all across town. So I'm done, man. I'm ready to go home, take me a shower and relax. All right, man, we'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.